quick little bonus that you will enjoy before we continue building your store. As you are using Dartotet, you can get 5 professional email addresses for free. So let me show you how to get them, and after that you will be able to receive and send emails from your professional email addresses. So for doing that, first go to our documentation website, help.lodr.tech. So this is where you will find all the tutorials and all the resources about Dartotet. If you don't remember how to get there, when you are on your store, go to your dashboard and then just click on support here on the left. Okay. Then when you are on help, just click on domain name and professional email here, and then go to get free professional emails. Then here, the only thing that you have to do is, again, change your DNS record or your domain name. So for doing that, go back to the company where you bought your domain name, and then do the exact same thing as we did in the previous section about connecting your domain name to your Dartotet store. So if you jump directly to this section and your domain name is not connected yet to your Dartotet store, then you won't be able to get the email addresses. So just go back to connect your domain name first and then come back here. Then once this is done, you want to change your MX record to this value here. So again, if you don't know how to do it, if you don't understand how to do that with your registrar, just contact their customer support, send them this tutorial, and they will be able to do it for you. But quickly, I can show you how it looks on my domain. It needs to be something like that. Type mx hostname @ and then value mx00.ionos.com, and the second one mx01.ionos.com. Okay, this is what you need to have in your DNS. Just a quick note, in case you already have email addresses using your domain name, then when you will change your MX record, your previous email addresses will not work anymore. So if you already have email addresses, then you need to decide if you want to keep them or if you want to recreate them with Dartotet. This is up to you, but if you don't already have email addresses, then you can change your MX record safely. It is not going to affect anything. So you just need to make sure that your MX records are like this. And then once this is done, just go back to our documentation website and then just fulfill this form here. First, enter the email of your Dartotet account, then your domain name, and then just enter the email addresses that you would like. So for example, for me, I will ask for contact@maximilianblatt.com, and I also would like team@maximilianblatt.com. Okay. Then just do the CAPTCHA, and after that, submit. And then that's it. Our team at Dartotet received your request, and then in roughly 1 or 2 days maximum, you will get a reply from us with one last step, is to verify that you really own this domain name. So you will have all the information in the email that you get from us, but to show you quickly, you can also find the information here. To do this verification, we need you to add a TXT record into your DNS. And this record will have a value, and you will get the value in the email that you get from us. So you just go back to your DNS, add a record, choose TXT type into hostname @ and the value will be in the email that you get from us. Okay, you just save, and then just reply to our email just to say that it's okay, it's done, and then you will receive an email from us with your email addresses and how to use them. So that's great. And then the last little tip that I can give you is how to synchronize your email address with your Gmail account, because you can access your professional email address and receive and send emails from it directly from your Gmail. So it's very convenient, it's very easy to use. So for doing that, just go back to home, then domain name and professional email again, and then go to synchronize your professional email with Gmail. And then here you will find a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. So now you have professional email addresses, you can use them to send and receive emails. So this is great. Now let's keep going and let's go to the next section.